Ya está grabando y todo. Sí.
Okay, well.
Todas las cosas que le traen a Joanna.
So we are here at Emia's place. You have to excuse me for my hair. We just woke up and haven't showered yet. But we are here at his. This is Emia's farm, and we are here because his cow had a baby. Had a baby last night. Here's his cows. This is Emia's place. There's the baby. Look. Aquí es la bebé. Chivito. Oh.
Nació. Sí, como a las 8:30. Ni de la negra. Ay, vea la pobre canela.
Look.
Va a ser grande, mire cómo. Ahí tiene el ombligo ya. ¿Sí?
What a cutie. Nice colors, eh? What a cutie.
Gran animal andan adentro, ¿verdad?
Sí, sí, ahí. Ya cuando tienen unos 9 días como está
Y está con pelo y todo.
Sí.
Yeah.
Y se le echa aquí para que la mosca no llegue. Porque ahí guarda la ensucia la mosca. Guarda la ensucia la mosca.
Y no se puede jalar eso.
No, ay, yo la reviento. Usted entonces es un gran problema.
Queda adentro.
Y ya no
Se muere.
¿Ah?
Y el veterinario no puede hacer nada tampoco.
No.
Es de esperar.
Espera que ahí la inyección, bro.
Solo la inyección es mejor.
Que la inyección es poniéndole y haciendo, aventándole.
What a cutie, though. I love the colors.
Bonito el color, ¿verdad?
Ajá, muy bonito.
Un chelito, ¿verdad?
Tiene más golpe, tiene más blanco.
Here's the baby. What a cutie.
Si lo quiere para lo voy a vender. El color va. Y como ese es para leche, ya es sabe. Ya se le voy a poner concentrado de que vaya a levantar.
Beautiful baby. Little short tail.
Ya de aquí sí es de darle buen mantenimiento a la vaca.
Beautiful. Look
Porque
at it.
esta la agarro yo aquí que ande comiendo ya sola ya.
Ay, beautiful.
Lo veo.
He was born 8
Todo ese ombliguito.
at 8 in the evening last night.
La vaca lo que hace está hablando.
Cute, cute baby. Yeah, you're a cutie.
Los deja usted ya que ellos vayan aprendiendo.
Oh, he's drinking.
Ya ellos van aprendiendo allá la teta. Sí, pues
He's drinking it. Good boy.
Pero no le duele tanto a ella, ¿verdad? Porque ya es el segundo parto.
sí. No, porque sean primero y como uno las descarga, pues ya ella las deja a los chivos ya que solo la primera leche sí porque es el calostro de ellos, porque los que los levantan los chivos, si no toman calostro quedan todos movidos. La primera leche las 4 así ya la tiene que ellos la chupen,
sí,
que ellos medio la chupen, que le sacan lo amarillo.
Good
Es el calostro de
boy.
las vacas.
So I'm just gonna go back out there with my tool. And of course, our daily routine of cleaning caca de vaca, cow poop. And my husband's back. Some food. What? No, we have to go back. Huh? So they lost a pile of dry beans somewhere driving here. So perdieron algunos frijoles secos en el camino, por lo que tienen que regresar a recogerlos y traerlos. And the cows love this stuff. This is bean stuff, bean leftovers. And the cows love this. First they like chew some more, but now they love this stuff. They love this stuff.
así, ¿verdad?
Las vacas encantan frijoles más de la tusa. Antes a ella le gustan tusa más, pero ahora encantan los frijoles.
Vamos a ver, vamos por venir viendo.
Y ellas están esperando. Here's the winds. They're gonna go take the food to the cows now, to the other side. Some of it. Look at them go. Las niñas tienen hambre todavía, todo el tiempo. They're hungry all the time. Look at them. Always hungry. So that's why we're broke, because these girls don't stop eating. And that's why it's a lot of work in summertime. In summertime is a lot of work because there's no food. And in wintertime is a lot of work because there's mud everywhere. And there's my babies and the sun's going down. Aquí están nuestras vaquitas. There's my baby.
Tired, baby.
Didn't sleep all night
Tired.
because he had to go to Sonsonate, past Cara Sucia, almost at the border of Guatemala, to have a meeting, farm meeting from here. So I think 4 of you guys went, right?
6, 7, I got a lot of us.
Oh wow!
Yeah. There's 3 of us in the truck.
Okay.
Rolled in.
Yeah, he
So
couldn't.
It was going to be 4 of us, and then they took the other guys in another car.
Wow, that's far. Yeah, so you guys left at 5:30?
We're supposed to meet him at 5:30. He never
5:30.
showed up.
Oh,
5:30.
yeah.
Mias goes, yeah, it's going to be like 6. Sure enough.
That's
it
El
was past
Salvador.
6. It was
That's El
past
Salvador
6.
for you. 5:30 means 6:30 over here. Yep. Here's my girls eating. Here's Bella. And here's Oreo. Hola, Bella. Hola, niña. Hola. Hola, niña. Taking Rambo in. He sleeps right here. We keep him away and then he eats over here. And once he's all fed with milk, bottle, we take him with the cows and he stays there pretty much all day. Till lunchtime, we take him out again over here. We feed him separately and then we put him over there under the tree in a shade, where he rests a little bit and then he goes back with the cows again. And at night we bring him back to feed him again. Just because the cows are still a little bit too rough, especially when they're eating. They push each other. They're just like these guys right here. And over there. And here comes Rambo. He came to see Pancha. He likes playing with Pancha. But Pancha, he likes to play with... Look at him. Look. What are you doing, Rambo? The girls are eating. That's not a good time to bug or play. Yeah. These two are fighting. That's why we don't let him in when the girls are eating. Rambo, you're gonna get kicked, baby.
Rambo. We taught him how to play.
And he likes to play with Pancha. That's who he plays with.
They're gonna kick him in the face.
Yeah.
Rambo.
Silly guy, just because he ate, he thinks he can bug the girls now. Nah, that's not a good time to let him in when the girls are eating. Because he wants to play. But they're still nice to him.
Rambo. Rambo. Rambo.
She's still nice to him, though she won't.
Rambo.
Rambo. He wants to play. He always liked to play, but we can't play with him anymore because he's too big for us to play because he can hit pretty hard or step on you. Oh yeah, no, he's fine. Yeah.
He sees that, so he wants to be big boy.
Yeah. And so this is 7 in the morning. The girls are eating. Seven in the morning. Oh my girls. There's the view. Look at this beautiful girl. So pretty. Hey, pretty boy. Hi, pretty boy. Guapo. Guapo. And here's our handsome boy. Hola, guapo. Listen to him breathing. Guapo. Hola, guapo. Hola, niña. Hola. Hola, guapo. Hola. Hola, guapo. Hola. Hola. Hola, guapo. Hola. Guapo. Yeah, your name is Guapo. Guapo. Mixing the food. Breakfast.
Oh, vale, bien famoso. Video. Vamos levantando dos volados un volado entre dos. Ay, está lleno ahora, cuesta. El famoso más arriba. Raúl. Raúl Edil.
Look at this beauty. That's our Bea. She's our Bea.
Kick him in the face though, look. Rambo! He's a little boy. He's a little pain in the butt.
He is. So, Raul is cleaning that tank right here because they get really, really dirty. They get all that green, slimy stuff in the tanks. And here's Emia's wife. She came to pick up the wood that we had over here. We gave it to Emias and his family, his wife, because we're not using it right now. So we let them all have it. So she came to pick it up with some friends, but we're just gonna drive it because that's way too heavy, way too much for them to carry. To me as a wife and some friends, family. So yeah, all this wood we had over here, we'll just take it to their house. All this wood, they just live like 1 minute drive from us, 2-minute drive. And these two girls, they're actually Canela's owners. They were Canela's owners. Canela used to live with them. But I don't know, for some reason, once she came here, she just stayed here and she never went back to them. But that's why she's playing with the girls. Sí. Yeah. Look at all the mangoes. Look at all the mangoes. Look, it's packed. But I think few of them already, yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Already some are falling.
Oh, that one's yellow. Isn't that ready?
Yeah. Two over there. Yeah, they are ready. Yeah, there's two yellow ones over there ready. Super ready. And we also have marañón tree, which is a cashew tree. Look at this, so beautiful. This fruit is so beautiful, and you get a fruit and cashew, so you get two things in one. And look how beautiful they are. Absolutely beautiful fruit. Gorgeous. And like I say, you get the cashew and a fruit from it. And down there we have more different fruit trees also. Here's the Nance tree. No Nances yet, but almost. There's lots of red and yellow flowers. So there's avocados everywhere. They're still small. The other tree is also avocado tree. Look at all these avocados. Lots of avocados. Avocados everywhere. And this is another mango tree, big mango tree. It's nice and green too, like it has lots of mangoes on this one, even though it's been pretty destroyed, not taken care of, because the renters would cut the branches on the side so the corn has more sun. So yeah, the trees are pretty destroyed over here, but this mango tree is really green and beautiful with lots of mangoes. And I'm not sure what kind of mangoes these are, but these are like when you cut them, they're so orange inside and they taste like candy, the sweetest mangoes ever. And look how many mangoes, beautiful mangoes. So we made it back home. Now we're just gonna relax a little bit and enjoy some mangoes. Yummy.
I'm sorry, are we ready? Are we taking a photo or what are we doing?
Look at this.
I'm taking photos and videotaping. Ya está grabando y todo. Sí.
Okay, well.
Todas las cosas que le traen a Joanna.
Yeah, from Erica and from Jose.
Yes.
Jose.
From Texas.
Yeah.
Hey, beautiful.
Look at the bell.
Aww.
I love it.
I'm glad. We
This is
are.
like the
Thank you
best.
guys.
Thank you guys so much for
Yeah.
all your help.
Okay, so
Action.
look at all this. Look what I got from one of our subscribers, from Erica and Jose. Look at this. Isn't this perfect? It's just perfect. So beautiful. It's gonna go right over there on top of the door, I think. So beautiful. And then this one, I love this one too. Look at this. So cool. Lomuka, the bell, so I can call my hubby for when it's lunch. Ding. And the end of the day. So beautiful. Love it. And then we got two. That's gonna be our guapo. Perfect. And then there's more. Got a little henny over here, moo here, moo there. So cute. And then the kitchen's closed, not in a mood. Look how cute. I love it. This is like the perfect gift. I love this side. Love it. And again, this is from Erica and Jose. And they both, we got to meet them today. And they're both from Texas. They come from Texas. So yeah, this is just perfect. Love it. Thank you so much, Erica and Jose. It was really nice meeting you. It was a pleasure meeting you. Too bad you couldn't stay a bit longer. But yeah, it was great meeting you. Thank you so much. What are you doing, silly girl? What are you doing, silly girl? Hmm?
Oh, they're skinny because they're little.
Mm-hmm.
She wants to.
Meanie.
Try to get in there.
Yeah.
What's on there? There's two
These are big ones, eh?
skinny ones. Gonna go there.
This is the one with the 5 titties or 6 titties.
This one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
I don't know. A lot of them have titties like that.
And here's our guapo with Luna. Guapo and Luna.
Sitting on a tree.
The sun is going down. It's after 5. It's cloudy in the mountains. They're terrible to each other when it's time to eat. They push and look at this. There's Pancha. Oh, you guys hit hard. Hey, hey, hey. They don't want Pancha in.
I don't want to punch it.
She had to push herself in. But look, 5 big cows over here.
Won't leave.
5 of them. Big ones in here.
And one little
Yeah.
big tire.
Tiny tire. And then there's one over there and one over there. Look it over there.
I know, those are going to get a lot of food.
5 too. Fighting. Oh yeah, that's...
They're going to eat lots.
Mariposa doesn't let anybody in. Look at these girls. I know she's mean.
Because she's brava.
Fuera de arriba, a regarla.
Ah, sí. Video.
Los limones. Hay unos que otros tienen.
Ajá.
Ya no.
Ay, sí, pero
Hasta que florece otra vez.
un fresco, ¿eh?
Sí.
Sí.
No, y hay necesidad, hay veces una.
Ah, sí.
Seguro. Sí.
You can smell them so fresh.
Gracias, sí.
Bye.
Muchísimas gracias. Adiós. So nice. You just got 3 limes and they smell so nice. And smell the limes. So fresh. And bananas. Mahuncho bananas. And earlier in the day we got some bananas too and some cheese from Emia's wife because she came to pick up some wood from us. And so she brought us some bananas too and some cheese.
And then when we went to get the milk,
And when we get to get the milk, we also got more bananas. Different kinds. They're all different kinds, yeah. So we've been blessed today with all these beautiful, awesome neighbors. Yeah. So we got these bananas, some limes, and these bananas. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.